Hello guys, what's going on? My name is Hiroshi from WebStylePress.com. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here, we share software engineering tutorials on this channel. If you want to learn and grow in this area, join us by hitting subscribe button and bell icon. In this video, we are using jQuery to switch active state between navigation links. This template is a single page website template and it uses links to navigate to different sections on same page. We want to switch class in links to make the link active. This is the website. It is a single page website template. The image that I am using here has been taken from this site Pixels, and it is free to use and no attribution required. So this is the image that I am using here, and this is my header navigation. So if I click at the about link, it will take me to the about area of this page, and here is the pricing area, and here is the contact area. You can see that the active state for the link is stuck at the home link. I want its behavior such that if I click at the about, or let's say pricing link, this link, the current link, that is the pricing, should change the state and turn white. So if I inspect this page, we can see that there's a class active at this link, and if I remove this class from this item, and then if I apply that class over here, and then about goes active. So I have got this unordered list, and then we have li list items inside it, and then we have got anchor. I have to switch the class active between these li's. This active class will change the link state to active. The link will turn white. So the navbar dash nav, and then navbar nav dash item or li, and then the anchor. So this is the HTML, and here is this HTML. This list. At this page, I have got jQuery linked to this web page, and then I have got a custom scripts named custom.js. So this is the file custom.js. I will use this to change the links behavior according to my need. So inside the document.ready, I will write that functionality here, but I won't write it here. Instead, I will use a function, and then I will call the function here. So let's use that function. Let's say tab control. or tabs control. Let's call it links control. Links or active link control. This is my function that I will call here, so that when the DOM will be ready, then this function will get called and the statements inside this function will be executed. So what I want here is whenever I click any link from this header area, the current active class from the list item should be removed and should be added to the current li tag. So $, and navbar dash nav dot nav item anchor. Navbar dash nav item and then anchor, because click is going to be at this anchor. Dot click function. So whenever user will be clicking at the link inside the navbar nav item, we will remove the current active class from any of nav item. So the first step is remove active class from any of nav item. So to do that, we will select all the nav items and apply remove class that is active for all those elements. Okay, so next step is add active class to clicked item, but at li, not the anchor. Okay, so to do that, we first get this. So this will hold this right now. The item that was the anchor that was clicked itself. This dot closest nav item dot add class active. Okay, so let's try this. Refreshing the page and click at about, and the class changes. Click at the pricing, the class is being changed. Click at the contact, the class is being changed. You can also remove the class from nav item like this. If you don't want to use this, you can use siblings selector, and that will go like this. This dot closest dot nav item, like in this we have got this element, the current anchor item that was clicked, and from closest to that nav item, that is the li. This is anchor and this is the closest nav item that we are selecting if this link was clicked. Dot siblings, and by doing this we have selected all the siblings to the current clicked item, nav item. This was the anchor that was clicked, and we retrieved this element that is the nav item by using closest selector, and then we selected siblings, and then we used siblings selector to select all of these. So this dot closest nav item dot siblings. So the clicked items closest and then all of its siblings dot remove clause active. Let's try this. Refreshing the page. Clicking at the about, and the class is being changed. So this is an easy way to switch active state for the links by using jQuery. Now you have got this generic function that can be applied to activate the active class at any kind of navigation that has got similar structure. You have to just use the closest or siblings and add class, remove class and add class functions from the jQuery. And by adding active class or by removing active class, you are basically switching the CSS for this link. And if the class is active and inside that element there's an anchor link, and we have got the color white for that, and the anchor that is inside this element that is not current, we have got no color property for that. So there you go. By using jQuery, switch active class between links easily in this way. Use this function. I hope you liked this video. If we missed anything or you have something to add or share, comment down below. Ask questions related to this topic. If you haven't already subscribed, subscribe to our channel and hit bell icon to receive channel updates. Join us on social media. Links are in the description. Stay tuned for more updates. I will see you in the next video.